I'm working in the entertainment industry for over 25 years now. For over 10 years now, I'm a pro acting coach. Not only working with actors though, I'm working with entrepreneurs as well as with performers. Everybody who needs to step up his communicational game. And I came to realize one thing that I need to share with you. But before I do that, I got a question for you guys. What do you think will be the most valuable asset class of the future? Before we jump to conclusions though, let's take a closer look at the past, like I'm always trying to do. In the past, the greatest companies, the biggest empires, that were built on gold and oil. That was the most valuable asset class of the past. In the current state of affairs, the most valuable asset class is information, data, statistics, and network. And in the future, the most valuable asset class will be attention, because energy flows where attention goes. That I know by now as an actor. And that means that if you're able to catch, hold, and maximize the attention of your audience, your numbers will go up, the results will come in, and your brand will flourish. Stick to the attention and stick to the Coach MC.